Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn a very simple and easy simple calculator program. So here I will teach you a simple addition. With the help of addition program with the two variables like identifiers we are going to creating, and dynamically user will collect the user input from the dynamic way using in extraction operator. With help of this simple program, you try to apply of all the math symbols of subtraction, division, multiplication and all as an assignment. You just try as yourself. Let's begin with the addition program. Super easily, I'm taking very quickly like x comma y, two variables I'm defining here, and one more variable like sum of the total where I want to store of these two numbers. Now quickly, just like I like see out to presenting like what the user wants to enter for x value. So see out like this screen I want to print like enter x value. Yes, enter x value. Now see in for extraction of x. Okay, so the same very super easily you just may take a copy of this and paste yourself, enter y value, take a copy, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Like a mouse, with the mouse you can click and select lines, take a Ctrl C, or else right click, copy, C, Ctrl C and Ctrl V is for paste. So paste is nothing but the copy of the lines, same will be repeated here. Okay, now here it is reading of y. So x we are collecting the value and y for value we are collecting here, and he'll enter the like he hit the enter. Now x plus y we need to make a sum like total. So use the sum variable already we have declared here as an integer data type equal to x plus y. Terminate. Now I want to the total x value and y value is going to be addition. It's storing total value in some variable. So this variable I want to show as a total value. So see out and the information like sum of total value, is here I want to throw in output of sum. At the end we can terminate. There is a no end lines are there. If we want we can make it the split of the line also. There is a no issue if required. We have learned like a formatting of the text, how to improvise the writing of the code statements earlier lecture also. See how beauty it is. If I entered, user is entered two numbers x value and y value, which will be calculated here. It's like an algorithmic way we are approaching a simple statement of simple calculator. Now if I run this program, yes, it's asking like a enter x value. Maybe I will put like a 20, hit enter, and enter y value for 30. So hit enter. The 20 plus 30, the total value of sum of total value is 50. So how beautifully we are collecting a total information. So the calculation how it is happening is an important task to understand here. We are collecting user input and storing and assigning to a variable. Then we are going to making some arithmetic operation here and we are presenting in the total. The same way, instead of using this, you may subtract. Just changing the symbol you can. So all you try. I'll show you like the symbols what you want to practice, like subtraction and division, and this is all enough for multiplication. Okay, if you need more you can try yourself. All arithmetic functionalities and operators will function directly in C++ as well. So subtraction we'll see. Like first I'll give you like a first number is 50 and second number I'll give you a 30. So what is the total value? It's a 20. How beauty, how simply your calculation has part is done. So the multiplication, division, these all are as an assignment. You just try yourself in your practical way. and finding, let me know if you are facing any difficulty while writing these simple lines. You need to learn many more lines by line you need to write. Don't think too much like these are the 4 lines only I am learning, these are the 4 lines only. By writing of the 4 or 5 lines only, you will get a great experience by understanding and by knowing what you are writing and what you are getting clearly. Then you may make it thousands of lines, definitely. Okay, so wish you good luck. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.